So now we're going to be going over goal number 4, Matthew, and we're going to be talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. And here are the top type of lines there are. So parallels never touch. As you can see, here are some examples, and they're basically two lines right next to each other. They are never ever going to touch. However, perpendicular, they're lines that cross each other, but they make a right angle. There are gonna be other lines that touch too, but they won't make a right angle. So perpendiculars make right angles. You can just try and see if you can make the right angle. And intersecting lines are lines, like I tell you, they cross, but they do not make right angles. So as you can see, here are some examples. They're either too close to each other, or they're too close in one side and then like very far in the other, or they're just crossing. However, over here they cross at a particular time and a particular way that you can make a right angle. Over here they don't. They just cross whenever they want at whatever rate they want. So you can tell right away which one is the perpendicular and which one is the intersecting. So now we're going to be going over worksheet number 4, for goal number 4, and it is this one that is called multiple choice. It has orange lines on the sides. If you have this worksheet, get it out. If you do not, just write the answers on a piece of paper. Okay, so here's the worksheet, and there are 9 questions, and I will be doing 2 with you. So on the top it says, identify each pair of lines as parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting. So here you're just gonna choose which answer choice is the picture on the top. So whether it's letter A, B, or C. However, when you're writing it down on the paper, I want you to put A and the answer. So if this is A and you put intersecting lines, I want you to put A intersecting, not just letter A. So question number 1. These lines, they're right near each other. What lines are those? Matthew, is it A, intersecting lines, B, parallel lines, or C, perpendicular lines? Yes, awesome job. It's letter B. It's parallel lines. These lines are right next to each other and they are not touching, and they will never ever touch. These lines can go on forever and ever and ever, and they will not touch. So you are correct. It is letter B. For number 2, these lines are crossing, and look here, they're giving you already the right angle. So what line is that? Is it A, an intersecting line, B, a parallel line, or C, perpendicular lines? Which lines are these? The ones with the right angle. Yes, good job. It's letter C. Those are called perpendicular lines. When you have the right angle, it is perpendicular. If you do not have the right angle and they're still crossing, those are intersecting lines. So now, Matthew, you will work on the rest on your own. If you have any questions or have any troubles with any of the worksheets, let me know. I am here to help, or you can let Mr. Salinas know as well. I will be putting all of these worksheets in the bottom, just in case you don't have them. I know you probably don't, so it's okay, just write it in a piece of paper, but make sure you write the letter and the answer, the word next to it, not just a letter. I just do not want letter A. I want letter A, intersecting lines, or letter B, parallel lines, or letter C, perpendicular lines, in a complete way. So I hope you have a good rest of your day, Matthew. If you have any questions, you already know, let me know. I will see you here tomorrow for goals 5, 6, and 7. Bye.